everyone. Welcome to the last stop on Friday with Friends. And I do hope that you've stopped at each and every one of the other stops on our train tonight. And I will give you a clue of who those stops were in a few minutes. Please enjoy. Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I hope you excuse my shadow today. Yeah, I have no idea. I guess it's not as bright as it normally is in here today. So I have this big shadow. So let's just, we could play a few games maybe. Nah, let's skip the games. Let's get right on with the show here. This is my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, and I have a little green gold from Golden mixed in, and I'm going to do a Dutch pour today in I guess they call that the chaos style. I did this way back. I'll link it somewhere, either above or below. But I did one quite a while ago, and if I do find that picture, I'll also put that. I'll put that above so you can see that. And I really love the way it came out, and I don't know why I never did another one. It was quite a while ago. But what I'm going to use here today is my, I'm going to use Artist Loft Flow Acrylic paints. Oh, what happened? Okay. Paint's pretty thin down there. And take out some bubbles. Okay, and like I said, I am going to use my ready mix paints today. Yeah, just because I feel like it, and I have some pouring masters out here too. Start with a little gold. And pouring masters Plum Crazy. And Artist Loft Turquoise. And Artist Loft Deep Yellow. And this is Lemon Zest. turquoise in there. I'll drop more of that gold. Didn't mean to put that much gold in. And I did want to put a little bit of this blue. Let's see if I have some opened up. Taking a moment here and welcoming you again to Friday with Friends. I hope you've enjoyed your evening so far. And if you have not been to Tiffany Romine, I got it right this time. Yay! Yay for Donna. Or Lance, Pouring Together with Lance Travis. Cynthia Porter Studio. We do enjoy our Friday with Friends. It's a great evening, well, an afternoon if you're in the West Coast. But we really enjoy our times together, and we hope you do too. Maybe you can enjoy a little music. How's that?
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
I didn't want to leave negative space there. And I love all this little cell action that I got.
What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive.
Well, ladies and gents, I think this is actually,
We come alive.
this is beautiful just the way it is. I do not want to ruin this.
Nighttime is something
I love it.
how we dance.
I love every single part of this. I'm going to see how this draws. Hi everyone. I got this beautiful painting from Soraya Sylvester Art. I won it. I was so excited when I won it. I just was thrilled because it matches my living room perfectly. And here I am opening this up. Soraya, thank you so much. I am so thrilled that I won this from you. You're an amazing artist. You wrapped this beautifully, I have to say. Look at this. How beautiful. Oh, and it has the backing on it. Look at that. It has a beautiful backing. Soraya, this is beautiful. I can't wait to hang it. I have the perfect spot for it. As a matter of fact, I think, well, no, I can't because I still have to put up a nail for it. But I will be hanging it very soon, and I will send a picture to you to show you the beautiful painting already hung in my living room. Thank you so much. This is stunning. Let's have Spot say hi too, and thank you. Okay? Thank you so much. Lo and behold, I stuck my finger in it again, and then my camera was not on again. I'm so sorry. But we had a little disaster, and I fixed it. So yeah, I'm liking the way it came out here. So here we go. So I fixed this a lot, because I realized that, well, I just fixed it. And now I'm just gonna move this over to the drawing rack, and I'll take in for the clothes. So one thing I do want to say is haste does make waste. And because I was rushing with this, because my son is coming in with his family, and I haven't seen them in 2 years or more, since COVID started, I was rushing this because I wanted to get it out for Friday. So, yeah, I didn't have this flat, and it dried without my negative space. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. I'm getting so close to 1,000, and I would love to reach that 1,000. It's been a long, hard road. Be safe out there, everyone, and have a great weekend. Bye-bye now. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off.